Okay, student. In last lecture we have discussed about classification of matter physically and chemically, in which we have discussed about the physical classification, solid, liquid, and gases, properties of solid, liquid, and gases. At the same time, the difference between solid, liquid, and gases. Then after we have discussed about elements and compound, which was the chemical classification of matter. Then after, there are two kind of substance if we classify them chemically: pure substance and impure substance. In pure we are having one compound, and in impure we are having mixture. Students, mixture and compound both are made up of two or more substance. At least two substance. Whenever two substance, at least two, more than two can be there. Whenever two or more substance combine together, compound is formed as well as mixture is formed, depending on the combination. Means what kind of combination is there, that decide whether the new product is formed, that is compound or mixture. Here we are talking about the compound and mixture. At the top I have written twice H2 plus O2 gives twice H2O. We all know H2 is hydrogen, O2 is oxygen. They combine together, form water. In last lecture as well as I told you that what are the properties of hydrogen and what are the properties of oxygen, and then what are the properties of water. In last lecture we have discussed what, that when we prepare compound, these components, just like if somebody will ask you what are the components of water, you will say, sir, the components of water are hydrogen and oxygen. When these two components combine chemically, means there are two kind of combination, one temporary, one permanent. Whenever we used to talk about temporary means physical, and when we used to say permanent, that is called chemically. Means whenever two substances are combined chemically, then they form compound, and whenever they will combine together physically means there is means just like physical mixture, there is no any bond between these two, right? Then physical combination will be there, mixture will form, and if chemical combination will be there, then compound will form. Another most important part, these when hydrogen and oxygen is formed, combined together and forming water, their ratio, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen should be fixed. Means whatever the amount of hydrogen will be there, according to that hydrogen means whatever the amount of hydrogen required, that will be the fixed. It doesn't mean, just like you have seen, suppose that you are preparing the salt solution, whether you are mixing one crystal of salt or you are mixing 2 or 3 spoon of salt in a given amount of water, means there is no any fixed ratio. By adding 1 spoon in 1 glass or by adding 2 spoon in 1 glass, the mixture is formed. But in case of hydrogen and oxygen, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen will always be 1:8, only then water will form. Means two things.
फोन ने हैंग मारना शुरू कर दिया।
हिलने लगा होगा है।